Hi everybody, welcome to my Propagation showcase. I'm going to show you all my successes and failures from the semester. So, first success we have here is my Tradiscantia Sabrina. I'm not surprised at all that this one was a success. It's super easy to propagate these kinds of plants. I already had adventitious roots when I took cuttings from it, so I just stuck it in soil and it's been doing really well, and it already has new adventitious roots forming, so I could even do it again to fill it out even more. So that one was a super success. The next successes I had were my Begonia cuttings. So these ones worked really well. I just took cuttings from them and then put some rooting hormones, stuck them in soil, and I misted them periodically for the first few weeks, and then I kind of stopped doing it because I didn't feel like it, honestly. But they've been doing really well. Another success I had was the green onions and the inside of the onion bulb. This is at home in New York. I'm back in Florida now, so I'll try to insert a photo if I can figure that out. But the green onions grew really tall really quickly. They're doing great, and the middle of the onion bulb is putting up a green sprout as well. So that was a pretty big success. Now onto the failures. My first failure of the semester was the onion germination treatments. I tried to put them in hot water and scarify them to get them to germinate faster, but the seeds were really small and I put the water too hot for too long and I basically killed the embryo, so those did not even germinate. So that was sad. So that was my first failure. The second failure I had were the Begonia leaf cuttings. So these, they just didn't really do anything. I've got them here. You know, they just look like a leaf in soil. There's a couple problems with, oh my gosh, it has roots. What the hell? Okay, I'm shook. It produced roots out of the petiole instead of out of the veins. I don't know if you can see it, but it's rooted in there, and I'm shook because I like totally stopped misting these because I got sick of doing it multiple times a day. So let's take a look. This is like a new unboxing video because I didn't know that this could work at all because I stopped missing them, paying attention to them. So next we have the bigger leaf. It's got like, so it doesn't look like much happening. It's kind of moldy, to be honest. It's like decomposing. Oh my gosh, and the petiole has roots. I'm checking on the last one now. Oh my god, it worked! You guys, I'm shook. I totally thought that this was dead. It's got new leaves at the bottom. This is insane. Okay, I'm zooming in to show you. It's producing leaves out of the petiole. I didn't even know that begonias did that, so learn new things. Well, we had more successes than we thought. So this is a happy ending, and thank you for watching.